Join me as I dive into the world of luxury watches and see if I can figure out why everyone is so obsessed with the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch. The Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch is an institution in the world of watchmaking and popular culture. It's a timepiece that has transcended its functional purpose to become a status symbol, a collector's item, and a cultural icon. Trying to pinpoint why the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch has captured the hearts of collectors, enthusiasts, and casual buyers alike is a challenging task. It's not just a watch, it's a phenomenon that has been building over decades. There are many factors at play, and it's hard to identify a single reason why it's so coveted. From its rich history to its sleek design, the Moonwatch is a true masterpiece. One thing is certain, however, the Moonwatch has a certain aura about it that is unmatched by any other timepiece. It's a watch that commands respect, and its owners are often seen as connoisseurs of fine watchmaking. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your watch journey, the Moonwatch is a must-have in your collection. The Moonwatch's popularity can also be attributed to its versatility. It's a watch that can be dressed up or down, making it perfect for any occasion. From a black tie event to a casual weekend outing, the Moonwatch is always a great choice. Its timeless design ensures that it will never go out of style, and its durability means it will withstand the test of time. The history of the Omega Speedmaster is a fascinating one. Developed in the 1950s as a racing chronograph, it quickly gained popularity among racing drivers and soon became known as the Speedmaster. However, it was its association with NASA that cemented its status as a legendary timepiece. In 1965, the Speedmaster became the first watch to be certified by NASA for use in space, earning it the nickname Moonwatch. The Speedmaster's association with NASA is a testament to its exceptional quality and reliability. It has been used in some of the most critical missions in space exploration, including the Apollo 11 mission that put humans on the moon. The Moonwatch's involvement in this historic event has forever linked it to the world of space exploration. The Speedmaster's features also make it a desirable timepiece. Its manual winding movement, 42mm case size, and iconic design make it a true classic. The Moonwatch is also highly collectible, with limited edition models and special releases adding to its allure. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Speedmaster is its emotional connection to space missions. The Moonwatch has been a part of some of the most historic moments in human space exploration, and owning one is like owning a piece of history. The Speedmaster's association with space also adds an element of adventure and romance, making it a truly unique timepiece. The Speedmaster's desirability can also be attributed to its exceptional engineering. The watch is built to last, with a focus on quality and craftsmanship that is unmatched in the industry. From its rugged case to its intricate movement, the Moonwatch is a masterpiece of engineering. The Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch is more than just a watch. It's a symbol of excellence, a testament to human ingenuity, and a connection to the world of space exploration. It's a timepiece that has captured the hearts of collectors, enthusiasts, and casual buyers alike, and its allure shows no signs of fading anytime soon. In conclusion, the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch remains a coveted piece for many, and its legacy and appeal are undeniable. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your watch journey, the Moonwatch is a must-have in your collection. Thanks for watching. And if you're as passionate about watches as I am, be sure to share your own thoughts on the Speedmaster in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about watch collecting, check out our video on the top 5 watches for beginners.